When your Brother printer is ready for new ink, don't throw away the used cartridge, return and recycle it for free. It will arrive at our market-leading, carbon-neutral remanufacturing facility based in Europe, where our team of industry experts are on hand to remanufacture and recycle your used cartridges to as good as new quality, time and time again.
再生カートリッジの品質管理のため、インクカートリッジが何回再生されたのかを追跡できる技術を導入しています。
Remanufacturing helps reducing the waste we produce. We don't need to use new materials or energy to create new products. We are proud that our facilities are zero waste to landfill certified since 2013.
The cartridge is sorted, cleaned and inspected, and then rigorously tested to ensure the best results every time.
We have been remanufacturing toner cartridges for more than 20 years. Up to date, we have remanufactured more than 40 million cartridges. We want to apply all that knowledge into the ink cartridge remanufacturing, and we will continue being the recognized leader in the industry.
設計段階においても、再生しやすい構造を念頭に置いて設計しておりますので、繰り返し、再生が行え、お客様にとっても環境にとっても優しい製品が提供できております。
The remanufactured ink cartridges are then packed and sent out to customers for the process to begin again.
We take over 100 steps to remanufacture one single cartridge, but the first step starts with you.
Return your ink cartridges today at brother.eu/recycling or scan the QR code below now. Brother.